Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you that how to use Google Meet in Android phone. For that, we'll be covering 3 points like how to download this app, how to share a link, and how to start a meeting. For that, let's get started with first point for installing the app. So first of all, go to the Play Store and type on search bar Google Meet. Once you click, just search the Meet and let's install this app now. So once it's get downloaded, let's open the app. After getting opened, it will ask you for selecting the IDs if you have multiple IDs, multiple Gmail IDs. I have only two IDs, so I'll be selecting one of them. After selecting, it will ask you to continue. Please continue. Allow me to take pictures and record video. Allow me to record audio. Allow. Yes, so we are in this app now. So we have just these features only: new meeting and join with a code. So for that, what we have to do, I will be telling you the second thing, which is how to share a link. For sharing a link, we have to click on new meeting. Once you click on the new meeting, you can see get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting. So let's get started with first one, get a meeting link to share. Once you click on this option, so from here you can see this meeting meetgoogle.com. So this in the box which you can see this first one. So first one here, from here you can copy it. You can see that I have copied meeting link. Now after that we have share invitation. Once you click on share invitation, so you will be able to share over WhatsApp, Classroom, means wherever you want to share, you can share just by clicking on that and select the person, and you will be able to share this link. Yes, let's come back to the next one, which is start an instant meeting. I think that will help you when somebody asks you to start any meeting. So before sending a link, what you can do, you can just start an instant meeting. Let me start that instant meeting. Yes. See, I have started an instant meeting, and here my camera is on. If I wish to, I can turn off my camera and I can mute myself also from here. But here I'm talking about that how to share instant meeting link. So here also you can see we have both the options which were available in that previous one. So first one, again, copy link and then share, go back in your WhatsApp, Gmail, wherever you want to paste, you can paste it. But if we talk about like share invite, so click here and directly you can share invitation from here. So right now you are in the meeting, just start the meeting and then share the meeting link, and then everybody will join your meeting. So I think this one is best, which I feel, and you can share as per your convenience. So that's all about that, sharing the meeting link and how to start any meeting.